Project manager Pamela Mann kicked off the $1.5 million project to replace aging water mains in Crofton and Odenton with public meetings. At the public meetings, she explained what the community could expect during construction. After underground utilities have been marked and test pits dug, excavation begins in order to install nearly 6,400 linear feet of new water main. The new main is flushed and tested. The old main is used to bypass service when connecting customers to the new main. Using an underground bypass pipe prevents the pipes from freezing, allowing work in winter while also preventing damage to above-ground bypass pipes from neighborhood vehicles. Gravel is tamped and the roads patched. Sidewalks and roads will be restored after the mains are replaced. In all, this project took approximately 4 years from design to completion.